Boulder, prosecution rests its case and the trial of the man accused of opening fire at the Table Mesa King Soopers grocery store. 10 people died in that shooting. The trial has now gone on for more than a week, with jurors hearing from police, FBI, and other experts.
Your reporter Andrew Hobner joins us now live in studio. And Andrew, today was a really important day for the prosecution.
A significant one, especially. The 8th day of the King Soopers shooting trial centered around the core aspect, whether or not Ahmad Alissa was mentally sane at the time of the massacre. Both prosecution and defense provided expert witnesses who both agreed with his schizophrenia diagnosis, but deferred on one key point: his sanity during the shooting. Two expert witnesses, Dr. Lawandra Torres and Dr. Harish Pillai, taking the stand.
I do. Thank you. Please be seated.
Dr. Torres was part of a two-person court-appointed psychology unit to determine his sanity. She was called by the prosecution.
He told us about going to the mountains to practice shooting, at least for a few minutes. There's evidence that he conducted research associated with mass shootings and tactical weapons and firearms.
Dr. Torres argued that the shooter's diagnosed schizophrenia could not be directly correlated to his decision to commit the 2021 mass shooting.
But when we talked more about the voices, he did tell us that they were not commanding him to do this.
She also said that, when interviewed, knew his actions weren't lawful. The defense countered by arguing the shooter had limited insight into his condition and how it affected him, an argument affirmed by their witness, Dr. Harish Pillai, who is the defendant's primary psychiatric provider at the state hospital.
Mr. Alissa denies suffering from any type of psychiatric illness. He does not understand the symptoms of his psychiatric illness or how these symptoms affect his behavior.
Dr. Pillai alleged on the stand that the degree of the defendant's schizophrenia is so bad he'll be on medication for the rest of his life.
I would categorize Mr. Alissa's insight as poor already, but there are moments when he is able to say he has schizophrenia, and these are sporadic in nature and have only happened 1 or 2 times in the medical record.
As prosecution and defense try to wade through a difficult case about sanity and how it created a tragedy. Now, later in the afternoon, the defense brought out Khadija Al-Hadid, Ahmad Alissa's mother, who was put on the stand with cameras turned off. She said through an interpreter that he did not know right from wrong and that no sane person would do anything like the King Soopers shooting. Now, when she was cross-examined by the prosecution, she simply kept reiterating he was sick, he was sick. He did not know how sick he was. An unthinkable situation for a mother, but also for those families of those 10 victims as well.
Andrew, you've been covering this trial from the get-go. Great reporting as always, and we know you will continue covering it for us as it continues. Thank you.